So once again, Congress continues to mock Prime Minister Modi's Chaukidar campaign. Now, the latest in line are these series of tweets by Congress in Gujarat through Gujarat Congress handle, where they have put up a caricature on senior BJP leaders, showing them in uniform of Chaukidars and mocking BJP over demonetization and other policies as well. My colleague Priyanka now joins us as we stay with these tweets. Classist, elitist attack now on Chaukidar campaign. Priyanka, over to you.
Well, yes, absolutely. This, this insult that the Congress has time and time again issued against this entire Chaukidar issue is because also a few days back is when the Congress party had also put on their own handles as Berozgar as well, and they have time and time again released several caricatures and cartoon strips to mock the entire Chaukidar campaign. And, there were a lot of chants and everything inside of the Congress party officials' office and rallies as well, where they kind of chanted Chaukidar Chor Hai.
We'll try and reconnect with Chaukidar, with Priyanka. I beg your pardon. We'll try and reconnect with Priyanka as we stay with these series of tweets that have been released by the Gujarat Congress Twitter handle. Namkaran aur rang badalne se vikas nahi hota. And then another tweet coming where नोटबंदी के नाम पर काले धन को सफेद करने का काम किया. These are two controversial tweets by Congress in Gujarat. Once again, going a step further, mocking Prime Minister's Chaukidar campaign. Congress now tweets through its Gujarat handle, where they've put up the caricatures of senior BJP leaders. They're showing them in uniform of Chaukidars, and also going a step further by mocking BJP, taking BJP head-on demonetization and other policies as well.